Good morning, CDT day 69. 69. Just got up a little while ago at the hostel and had a good night's sleep. Feeling pretty good today. Still having a little bit of body sickness, but not nearly as much like nausea or anything that I had last night. So hopefully things are on the upswing. Regardless, I am going to be going back to Mark and Jess's for an unknown amount of days because now there's a snowstorm that is going to hit this area of Colorado today. Today is summer solstice. This is the first day of summer, and we're gonna get like 3 to 4 inches of snow. So yeah, I just want to rest up for sure, make sure I'm not getting myself caught out there like I did last time, just feeling like crap and just waiting out more of the snow. And then I'm also doing something that I'm really excited about. I am sending home my snowshoes and heavy ass snow gear. So yes, there's still a lot of snow up in the mountains, but it's all super patchy, so it doesn't make too much sense for snowshoes. They're just getting destroyed out there. I've already kind of ruined them a little bit, just from walking on rocks and stuff like that, and I don't want to keep doing that and destroy them to the point where they don't work anymore. So I got snowshoes in here, these like extra thick gloves that I didn't end up needing. I'm gonna throw my ice axe out, some other stuff, snow stakes and things like that. So I am back into the shorts, back into my ultras, because I'm also going to be throwing my boots out, and I'll be ready to post hole through hopefully the end of Colorado and then out of the snow. But my pack is going to look quite a bit smaller and, more importantly, quite a bit lighter. And I'm also going to be trimming some of the fat, some things that on this pack that I've had in there and I feel like I need, but I haven't used at all. So hopefully it'll be quite a bit lighter than the 31-pound base weight that I've had with all this snow crap. So that is going home, and then I'm gonna post hole. So it should be fun. Yeah, today, or at least this weekend, Leadville's having a pretty cool barbecue and brew fest. So they got some live music, all kinds of smokers, and the barbecue is out. Unfortunately, I'm headed to Colorado Springs today, but still get to enjoy a little bit while I'm here. So I'm just leaving Leadville now. I'm gonna hitch with Two Slice. Well, Two Slice is gonna hitch because she has to go up to Silverthorne to continue her hike, and that happens to be on the way to Denver. So she can get a hitch for me real quick, and then get to Denver. Should be good.
I can't believe, yeah. I mean, it's just not we haven't had a solid week. I don't think there's been a full week in the mountains yet.
All right, after 2 successful hitches, very nice, I have made it into Denver. About an hour and a half, 2 hours until the bus leaves for Colorado Springs. So I'm just gonna chill here and wait for it, and then that way I can get into Colorado Springs and Mark doesn't have to drive crazy far to come get me. So things are working out pretty well today, and I'm feeling decently well. No nausea from breakfast, although I made sure not to eat anything crazy, just had some bagels, and should be good. So I'm hoping to spend some time with Mark and Jess again and kind of reset this whole thing to where it was like a week ago. So. Alright, so after 2 successful hitches, a very long bus ride, and a pickup from Mark, I am back in my haven, Mark and Jess's place. So we're about to have some dinner and have a great night relaxing.